creative, I cannot emphasize this enough. This year, be weird. I, for one, have gotten very sick of industrialized creativity. This is how you create. It must fit into these genres. It must exactly line up in these silos and nothing else will do. What the heck? No, that is not how it works. Do you think that the genres that exist now always existed? Do you think that the tropes that we see now commonly in books and stories and art were always there? No, they developed because somebody came up with them, and somebody came up with them by moving against what was the norm at that time. I'm not saying that tropes and stuff can't be creative and can't be effective. Of course they can. Use them because they're tools. But what I'm saying is you are not limited by those things. This year, in the wake of AI and everything else going on, copyright issues and all the rest, I'd say it's your time to break out. Be weird. Create the way you want. And it doesn't matter if it's the way you're supposed to do it or not. This year, let's make our own genre. Let's make our own way. Make art however you want. Sit down with me now and let's make something new.